Of Cardano holders. So what's going on this time? The Cardano price is pumps up urgently, my friend, but after that the Cardano price will again dumps down. So today we will talk about the very huge explosion which are coming, my friend, in upcoming days, and that is very important video for all holders, for all my viewers, because in this video we will predicate this coin, we will share opinion. So I hope, my friends, to if you watch this video you will earn a lot of money from crypto. My friends, the Cardano update, as you can see here on the screen, Cardano price is 2.17 USD dollar. The rank is 5. The market cap you can see is 69 billion. Last 1 hour change occur, you can see here is gone positive 0.35, and last 1 day minus 1.44% price falls down, and last 7 day minus 2.67%. So the circulating supply is 32 billion and max supply 45 billion, distribution 71.26. That's mean, my friends, to everything is increasing. The market cap and the rank, my friend, the rank is just only same. They were permanent holders now, but here you can see the change occurring is definitely very badly decreased now. So let's see, my friends, this time you can see here on the chart. So the chart result is clearly show you, my friend, to price will dumps down, but remember to after a dump every coin will pumps up. So this time, as you can see here, the direction is moving something like up. So absolutely that's clear to an upcoming time, my friend. There is a lot of chances to Cardano price will increasing, but for that you will need to hold out. If you are starting holding, then remember to you will get a very good profit. So for that you will need to hold out and wait for the end of month. 3.22% in last 3 days, my friends, they will get a profit. So therefore I will tell you to they will urgently wake up, but after that they will again fails down. So therefore I can't expect this, but absolutely remember to this is temporary fails. So I don't care. I hope, my friends, today will again wake up and give me a good profit. See you next time, Cardano holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.